In the context of increasingly severe climate change and environmental pollution, many major fashion brands have begun to focus on using environmentally friendly materials. Let's find out who they are and what they have done to help protect our planet. 1. Patagonia. Famous for its commitment to environmental protection, Patagonia uses various recycled materials such as organic cotton, nylon, polyester, and Tencel TM, lyocell, a fabric made from wood pulp. They have also pledged to use 100% recycled or reused materials by 2025. 2. Stella McCartney. Stella McCartney is a pioneer in sustainable fashion. This high-end fashion brand uses vegan leather, recycled wool, and recycled polyester to create luxurious and sustainable designs. 3. Adidas. The company has partnered with Parley for the Oceans to turn ocean plastic waste into shoes and sportswear. Additionally, they are committed to reducing CO2 emissions in their production process. 4. Nike. Nike is using fly leather, a synthetic leather made from recycled leather fibers and air bubbles, helping to minimize waste and water consumption. 5. Gucci. Gucci is committed to using sustainable and non-toxic tanning processes for their leather, as well as reducing environmental impact throughout their supply chain. 6. Everlane. Known for its transparency, Everlane provides customers with detailed information about the origin of materials and the production process of each product. They use many sustainable materials such as organic cotton, Tencel, and merino wool. 7. H&M. H&M is striving to use more sustainable materials, including organic cotton, recycled polyester, and lyocell. They also have a conscious collection line made from environmentally friendly materials. 8. Inditex. The group, which owns Zara, Massimo Dutti, Bershka, and Pull & Bear, is committed to using 100% organic cotton, wool, and recycled polyester by 2025. 9. Levi's. Levi's has developed many sustainable initiatives, including using organic cotton, reducing water usage in production processes, and recycling old jeans. 10. Uniqlo. Uniqlo is working to minimize environmental impact by using recycled materials and developing energy-saving production technologies. These are the top 10 major fashion brands that are using alternative materials to protect the environment. We hope you found this information useful and are excited about these sustainable fashion products. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos. Leave a comment below about your favorite fashion brand and what you want us to explore next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.